tell you something a lot of people don't believe. You can start a business in 2026 with zero money. Not a little money, zero. And no, this isn't theory. People are doing it every single day. Most people think starting a business means an office, a MacBook, a CEO mug, and a dramatic LinkedIn announcement. Meanwhile, you can start with your phone, your skill, and some common sense. Some of the most successful beginners started with a phone, a quiet corner, and a whole lot of determination. So you're not behind. You're right on time. Before we jump in, what business would you start with no money? Drop it in the comments. You might inspire someone. Okay, let's get to it. Point 1, kill the I need money myth. The biggest thing stopping people is this idea: I can't start because I don't have money. The truth is, you don't start because you don't have clarity yet. Money comes after you solve someone's problem. If someone needs a resume fixed, a flyer made, a lesson taught, or a schedule organized, they don't care how much money you have. They care if you can help them. Value first, payment after. Point 2, what you actually need. Here's what you really need to start a business with no money. 1, a skill you already have. 2, a person who needs it. 3, a simple offer. And 4, a way to deliver the work using free tools. That's it. Not a logo, not an LLC, not a $400 website. A phone and a skill can literally get you your first customer. Now take a moment to think about one skill people always compliment you on. That might be your business. Never underestimate the benefit you bring people. It could be that the one silly, easy thing you can do in your sleep turns out to be the one thing so many people would love done for them. Think about it. Point 3, use skills you already have. You already have a skill people will pay for. Seriously, you're more valuable than you think. Watch this. Type fast? Boom, transcription. Naturally organized? You're basically a virtual assistant already. Clear, confident voice? That's voiceover money waiting for you. Obsessed with Canva? Congrats, you can make simple, clean graphics businesses love. Love digging for answers? That's market research, and people pay good money for it. Enjoy teaching? You can start tutoring or English practice sessions today. See, you don't need new skills to start. You just need to recognize the ones you already have and start using them. Then, once you perfect those skills, you can then invest in learning new ones. In 2026, people will continue to pay for speed, clarity, and convenience, not expensive equipment. Point 4, create a simple human offer. Your offer should be one clear sentence. I help blank do blank. Examples: I help busy people stay organized. I help small businesses design clean Canva content. I help beginners practice English through conversations. You're not writing a 10-page plan. You're telling someone how you can help. Point 5, where to find clients for free. Your first client usually comes from Facebook groups, TikTok, Reddit, WhatsApp, Instagram, or someone you already know. Tell people what you offer. You'd be really surprised who responds. Where do you think your first customer will come from? TikTok? X? IG? Point 6, free tools to deliver work. Everything you need is free. Leonardo, Canva, CapCut, ChatGPT, Google Sheets, email, and most importantly, your phone. Your business isn't limited by tools, only by consistency. Point 7, when to raise your prices. Once even one person pays you, your business is real. That's your proof of concept. You showed value, they trusted you, and now you get to build from there. So start small, deliver value, adjust, then raise prices little by little. That's how real businesses grow, even the ones that start with $0. All of this matters. You don't need money to start your business. You need movement. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most important. So don't wait for the perfect moment, the perfect setup, or even the perfect confidence. Just take the next small step you can take. Your first step matters more than your first dollar, and that step can happen today. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I've got more simple, realistic business guides coming soon. And tell me this in the comments. What's the first step you're taking to start your business with no money? I'm replying to everyone, so don't be shy. You can start from wherever you are, with whatever you have, and still build something real. Start small, start simple, start now. I'll see you in the next video.